Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I'm 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you love seeing what people get in the Boxycharm base box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, this here is the July 2022 base box. If anyone's new and isn't aware of what Boxycharm is, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription with 3 different plans. I have the lowest level, which is the base box. It costs $28 a month plus a $1.99 handling fee. So it's like a $30 a month box, and you get 5 full-size beauty products. They do have a premium box, which I want to say is closer to $40, and you get 6 items. And then quarterly, if you choose, you can turn this base box into what they call Boxyluxe, which costs almost $60, and you get 8 full-size products. Alright, enough chitter-chatter. Let me cut the box open, which, by the way, is not a small box, but smaller. I've seen bigger, I've seen smaller, but she weighs more than you would think, so I'm super curious. It does come with a card. This month the theme is Status 000. Don't know what that means. And it does have descriptions and pricing of the products in the box. I am iteration 22. All right, let's dive in and see what the first item is. Okay, so this is one of the items making it heavier. Ooh, okay, I say ooh, but I'm normally really excited. I already own this product. This here is from Kate Somerville, and it's the Goat Milk Moisturizer. In fact, it's on my skin today. In the near future, there'll be a video where I'm using all Kate Somerville products. So, yay, love this. Without even looking at the card, I want to say this is $72, maybe $68. I think it's $72. Let's see how good. Oh, no, I'm wrong. It's $76. Wow. Yeah, so this is a very nice brand, nice product, and you get 50 ml. Next item. Okay, so we have some brushes. This here's from ELOISE, and it's the Luxury Eyeshadow Brush Set. And it looks like we get 4 brushes. One kind of very tiny small brush, and then 3 small compared to normal, but it's a very small bristle, which if you have hooded eyes, you would probably love this. I will use every single one of those brushes. They just seemed a little smaller than normal. What is the price of that 4-piece eye brush set? $22. Okay, I thought it was going to be one of those from Boxycharm where it's way overpriced. $22 compared to normally their brushes for $45 and up, not too shabby. All right, what is the next item, which is also heavy? Oh, I think this is my choice item. The packaging is looking ALLEYOOP-ish, yes. So this here is from ALLEYOOP. It's the Stack the Odds multi-use face stacker. So online when I chose it, I thought it was I was focusing on the blush. But maybe it also has a, what do you call that? Contour / bronzer and a highlighter, if I could ever get the box open. Un momento. Alright, that box was a challenge. Very cute packaging. It's plastic, but it's like a nicer feeling plastic. Alright, let's open her up. Okay, swivel, lift. Okay, so there's a mirror. I don't want to blind you. Very cute, and yes, I was correct. Blush is what I focus on, but this does look like a highlighter and a bronzer. Oh! I didn't really, these are cream products. I don't know why. I thought they were just powder products. Alright, let's do some swatches. Alright, we got them on these 3 fingers here. Let's see how they do on the back of my hand. Alright, here's the highlighter. That's lovely. Lovely blush. Lovely contour bronzer. All right, I'm already wearing blush. I already have contour on. But what I don't have on is highlighter. So let's give that one a try. And if you're looking at me now and going, really? It looks like you're wearing highlighter. It's just really hot in my room. Plus I got the filming lights. And your girl's sweating. So that's just natural shine. All right, I'm just going to use my finger because... Mainly I don't want to mess up my makeup because I have the rest of the video to film. And sometimes when you use a product for the first time, you probably get me. Let's just tap a little on with my finger. Okay, I'm going to have to play around a little more with that. It's more of a cream product than a balm, if you get me. Balms tend to be a little... I don't say greasy, but a little smoother, thinner, or they thin out. This is a little thicker. It reminds me the consistency more of what you would get in like a stick cream product. Neither good nor bad. I'm just commenting if you were curious and did not get this. And I believe it is available in the drop shop. Don't quote me on that. But if you're interested, go check it out. Holy cow, this retails for $38. That is not good, not bad, just surprised me because ALLEYOOP, if I didn't subscribe to Boxycharm, I would have never heard of that brand before. All right, next item. What is this? Something from First Aid Beauty. This here is the Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner. Ooh, I love a good toner. I already own numerous, but I will never be mad at getting another. Okay, it does come safety seal, and this explains why my box is so heavy. This here is 177 ml or 6 fluid ounces, and it retails for $24. All right, and the last item, ooh, is this, Nola, the same thing you got that I thought was a cigar? This here is from the Beauty Crop. I'm going to have to grab the card because it's too tiny. Okay, so this is from the Beauty Crop, and it's a liquid eyeshadow duo. I saw someone wear an eye look, and it was gorgeous. What are the shades? Ginger and Prosecco. Okay, that is a fun product to get, and I like how it's slightly different than what I've gotten in my boxes lately. It retails for $18. Okay, very reasonable. All right, let me recap everything I got in the July 2022 box. I got a hydrating toner from First Aid Beauty, a liquid eyeshadow duo from the Beauty Crop, the ALLEYOOP Stack the Odds Trio in Sassy Pants, a luxury eyeshadow brush set from ELOISE, and the Goat Milk Moisturizer from Kate Somerville. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, that's the best box I've gotten from Boxycharm in quite some time. When the product that's the most is some brushes, which I will use and enjoy, that ain't too shabby. I'm curious to give this liquid eyeshadow duo a try. Last week I would have been, but I did see my good friend Nola use this in an eye look, and it was stunning. So I cannot wait to give that a try. I'm very curious about this blush, this bronzer, and using this concealer in a more, going to town kind of way with a brush instead of just tapping it on. That is lovely. As I mentioned before, I'm currently using this product. Most everything from Kate Somerville is fantastic. She's a little pricey, but well worth it. And almost everything I've tried from First Aid Beauty is great. I love a good toner, great size. So yet another product I will use and enjoy. All right, leave me your thoughts. What did you think of this box? I'm going to list the MSRP total value. If I could do math on the fly, which I can't, but I'm going to predict this is going to be a pretty good valued box. I mean, I know this is $76. The ALLEYOOP was, what'd they say, $38. And then throwing these products, yeah, it's going to be north of $150. That's really good. And more than just monetary value is, did you enjoy the items that you got and will you use them? And I'm going to use all of these products. So for me, that's a great box. All right, leave me your comments, thoughts. Did you like my box? Have you gotten your box? Did you not like my box? Let me know what you got. I love hearing what other people get in their boxes. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, click that thumbs up. It really helps with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.